walking and you walked away. You made me feel lonely. My sky became gray. You gave me a warning that I couldn't see. You no longer want me. You just set me free to fly. Doorway where we once loved. The games that we played were never enough. Now you're just a memory of what I once thought was something I wanted, but so easily lost, and I'd fly. Today I went walking alone in the sun. I never felt lonely or longed for someone. See, now there's an answer to what I would seek. That love that I wanted, it's inside of me, and I fly.